just made the connection up. I'm charging the batteries right now. One's charged, the other one's charged. I still got a little bit of stuff to do as far as I got to get the antenna coming up on the top of the lid. What do y'all think about, seeing as how I got so much of this crappy stainless steel headers left, make a stack, something like that? Who knows? So we're going to turn the key on. Got the chain tight, so, and it does, once it gets locked in there, it doesn't want to move. I don't know if that's faster than the other one, but I can always calm it down. That's the trim right there. So I still got a little bit of other stuff. I'm gonna charge the battery up. Next thing I got to do, little knick-knack stuff. So this is 250 watt motor. It's going to pull this thing no problem. It is kind of heavy right there on the front, but I wanted to leave it like that to give it weight. This motor here is substantially faster than the other one, but there is a way to you know, endpoint. Channel 1 is this, so that's just the rate of speed that it's going to go because it's an ESC, it's not a servo. So we're going to go to channel 2. Okay, so that's on 100%. Knock it down to, let's say 40%. So we'll have to get it out there and see what works best. See, that motor's going to hit, so I'll actually need reverse this time. So but I don't need, I'm thinking 40 is probably going to be pretty good. So you can shut it off, turn it back on, and those settings stay. But there's still a little bit of stuff I got to get done here. The motor's plenty strong enough. If I see any need to make it stronger, then I will. There is a lot of weight on this little tire, but it's see, that's more of a usable speed right there. So there's still some other stuff I want to do. Ain't none of them hitting. I was going to correct that, but it's just in the lid and getting the antenna sticking up. The antenna was sticking out the side. And the fact that I have no way to charge it unless I take the lid off. So I might stick the antenna out that way. No big deal. That's just a little thing that's going to stick out there, and I'm going to hot melt glue it on or put a grommet on it or weld it, whatever. So I might stick it out this way up at an angle because I do have to take this on and off from time to time. We'll see. All right, guys, time to cut grass. Here's shortly.